In the vast expanse of existence, there exists a profound cosmic balance, an intricate web of energy and intention that governs the flow of life. Within this cosmic dance, there lies a remarkable truth. The universe possesses an inherent tendency to restore all that has been lost or wasted over the passage of time. Let's delve into the depths of this timeless wisdom, exploring the mechanisms through which the universe orchestrates the restoration of wasted years and the profound implications of aligning with this cosmic principle. The nature of time and loss. Time, that enigmatic force which seems to dictate the rhythm of our lives, is a multifaceted and complex phenomenon. In the realm of human experience, time is often perceived as linear, marching inexorably forward with each passing moment. Yet, from a deeper perspective, time is far more fluid and malleable than our everyday perception may suggest. At its core, time is a construct of consciousness, a framework through which we organize and make sense of our experiences in the world. It is a measurement of change, marking the transition from one moment to the next and imbuing our lives with a sense of continuity and progression. However, beyond the confines of human perception, time exists as a vast and boundless expanse, devoid of the constraints of past, present, and future. Within the framework of time, the concept of loss emerges as a poignant and universal theme. Loss encompasses a wide array of experiences, from the death of a loved one to the dissolution of a relationship, the failure of a dream, or the passage of time itself. It is an inevitable aspect of the human condition, a reminder of the impermanence and fragility of existence. The experience of loss can evoke a myriad of emotions, ranging from grief and sadness to anger, regret, and despair. It is a process of mourning for that which is no longer present, a journey through the depths of sorrow and longing. Yet, amidst the pain of loss lies the potential for growth, transformation, and renewal. In the grand tapestry of existence, loss is not merely an ending but also a beginning, a catalyst for change and evolution. It is through the experience of loss that we come to appreciate the preciousness of life and the fleeting nature of time. It is through the process of grieving that we learn to let go of attachments and embrace the impermanence of all things. The law of restoration. Embedded within the fabric of the universe lies a timeless and immutable principle known as the law of restoration. This profound cosmic law operates on the principle of balance and harmony, seeking to restore all that has been lost or wasted over the passage of time. At its core, the law of restoration is an expression of the inherent intelligence and benevolence of the cosmos, orchestrating the ebb and flow of life with precision and purpose. The law of restoration operates on multiple levels, encompassing both the individual and collective dimensions of existence. On an individual level, it manifests as a process of healing, renewal, and transformation, guiding individuals through the journey of reclaiming lost aspects of themselves and restoring balance to their lives. This may involve healing from past traumas, releasing old patterns and beliefs, or rediscovering forgotten passions and talents. The law of restoration operates through a multitude of channels, working in mysterious and unexpected ways to bring about the restoration of that which has been lost or wasted. It may manifest as synchronicities, serendipitous encounters, or unexpected opportunities that align with the highest good of all involved. It may also unfold through the process of inner alchemy, as individuals harness the power of intention, visualization, and manifestation to co-create their reality in alignment with the cosmic flow. Furthermore, the law of restoration is intimately connected to the principle of karma, the law of cause and effect that governs the cycles of existence. According to this principle, every action, thought, and intention generates a corresponding energetic imprint that reverberates throughout the cosmos. Thus, the restoration of wasted years is not merely a matter of chance or coincidence, but rather a natural consequence of the energetic forces set in motion by our past actions and choices. Emotional healing. Emotional healing is a profound journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation that involves acknowledging, processing, and releasing unresolved emotions, wounds, and traumas. It is a deeply personal and often challenging process that requires courage, vulnerability, and self-compassion. At its core, Emotional healing is about reclaiming our wholeness and rediscovering our innate capacity for joy, love, and connection. One of the first steps in the journey of emotional healing is developing awareness and mindfulness around our emotions. This involves tuning into our inner landscape and becoming attuned to the thoughts, feelings, and sensations that arise within us. By cultivating a sense of presence and non-judgmental awareness, we can begin to observe our emotional patterns and triggers with curiosity and compassion. As we delve into the process of emotional healing, we may encounter painful memories, wounds, and traumas that have been buried deep within our psyche. These emotional wounds may stem from past experiences such as childhood trauma, loss, or betrayal, and they can have a profound impact on our sense of self-worth, identity, and well-being. By courageously facing these wounds with honesty and compassion, we can begin to unravel the layers of conditioning and self-protection that have kept us stuck in patterns of pain and suffering. Central to the process of emotional healing is the practice of self-compassion and self-love. This involves cultivating a deep sense of kindness, acceptance, and forgiveness towards ourselves, recognizing that we are deserving of love and compassion regardless of our past mistakes or shortcomings. All your answers are within. As we journey through the process of emotional healing, a profound shift often occurs within us. A shift from seeking answers and validation outside of ourselves to finding them within. This transformation represents a pivotal moment in our personal growth and self-discovery, marking the transition from dependency on external sources for guidance and validation to a deep sense of self-trust, inner wisdom, and empowerment. When we begin our healing journey, it's common to look outside of ourselves for answers and validation. We may seek guidance from therapists, counselors, friends, or self-help books, hoping that someone or something external will provide us with the clarity and direction we seek. While external support and guidance can be valuable and supportive on our journey, true healing occurs when we learn to turn inward and trust the wisdom that resides within us. As we cultivate greater self-awareness and mindfulness, we become attuned to the subtle whispers of our inner voice, the voice of intuition, wisdom, and guidance that arises from the depths of our being. This inner voice is not driven by fear, ego, or external expectations but by a deep knowingness and connection to our true essence. It speaks to us in moments of stillness and clarity, offering insights, solutions, and guidance that resonate with our deepest truth. As we deepen our connection to our inner wisdom, we begin to realize that the answers we seek are not found outside of ourselves but within. We discover that we possess an innate capacity for self-healing, self-understanding, and self-empowerment that transcends the limitations of external circumstances or influences. We learn to trust in our own ability to navigate life's challenges and uncertainties with grace, resilience, and authenticity. Moreover, as we embrace the journey of finding answers within, we come to recognize that our greatest teacher and guide is the wisdom of our own lived experience. Every setback, challenge, and hardship becomes an opportunity for growth, learning, and self-discovery. We begin to view life's obstacles not as barriers to our happiness and fulfillment, but as stepping stones on the path to our highest potential. Abundance in all aspects of your life. Abundance in all aspects of life is a profound and transformative state of being that transcends mere material wealth and encompasses a holistic sense of richness, fulfillment, and prosperity. It is a state of mind, heart, and soul that arises from a deep sense of gratitude, appreciation, and connection to the infinite abundance of the universe. At its core, abundance is about recognizing and celebrating the abundance that already exists within and around us. It is about shifting our focus from what is lacking or missing in our lives to what is present and available to us in this moment. This shift in perspective allows us to tap into the boundless reservoir of blessings, opportunities, and possibilities that surround us at all times. Abundance manifests in a myriad of ways in our lives, touching every aspect of our being: physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual. Physically, abundance may manifest as health, vitality, and well-being, as well as material comforts and resources that support our basic needs and desires. Emotionally, abundance may manifest as love, joy, and connection in our relationships, as well as a sense of peace, contentment, and fulfillment within ourselves. Mentally, abundance may manifest as clarity, creativity, and inspiration, as well as a sense of purpose, passion, and direction in our lives. Spiritually, abundance may manifest as a deep sense of connection to the divine, the universe, or the interconnected web of life, as well as a sense of trust, surrender, and alignment with the flow of existence. Embracing abundance in all aspects of life involves cultivating a mindset of abundance, an attitude of gratitude, generosity, and abundance consciousness that attracts more of what we desire into our lives. This means letting go of scarcity thinking and limiting beliefs that hold us back from experiencing the fullness of life's blessings. It means affirming our worthiness and deservingness to receive and enjoy the abundance that the universe has to offer. Practicing abundance also involves taking inspired action towards our goals and dreams, trusting that the universe will support us every step of the way. It means being open to receiving and giving freely, knowing that the more we give, the more we receive in return. It means living from a place of authenticity, integrity, and alignment with our deepest values and aspirations. Surrender and trust. Surrender is the act of relinquishing resistance and surrendering to the present moment exactly as it is. It involves letting go of the ego's need to control and manipulate outcomes, and instead surrendering to the wisdom of the universe or a higher power. Surrender does not mean giving up or being passive. Rather, it is an act of profound courage and trust in the inherent intelligence and benevolence of life itself. It is about embracing the uncertainty and unpredictability of life with grace and humility, knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Trust, on the other hand, is the foundation upon which surrender is built. Trust is the unwavering belief that we are supported and guided by a higher power or the universe, even in the face of uncertainty and adversity. It is about having faith in the inherent goodness and wisdom of life, knowing that everything happens for a reason and that we are always exactly where we need to be. Trust is not blind faith or wishful thinking. Rather, it is a deep knowingness that arises from the depths of our being, rooted in our connection to something greater than ourselves. Together, surrender and trust form a powerful duo that empowers us to navigate life's challenges with grace, resilience, and peace of mind. When we surrender to the flow of life and trust in the wisdom of the universe, we open ourselves up to a world of infinite possibilities and potentials. We become more attuned to the guidance and support that is available to us at all times, and we allow life to unfold in its natural rhythm, knowing that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Trusting in the universe's restoration. Having faith that the universe will restore all your wasted years is not just a belief. It's a profound act of surrender, trust, and alignment with the inherent wisdom and abundance of life. By embracing the principles of surrender and trust, we can release our attachments to the past and open ourselves up to the infinite possibilities and potentials that await us in the present moment. Trusting in the law of restoration, we can relinquish the need to control outcomes and instead allow life to unfold in its natural rhythm, knowing that everything is happening for our highest good. As we surrender to the flow of existence and trust in the inherent intelligence and benevolence of the universe, we can rest assured that all that has been lost or wasted will be restored in ways far beyond our wildest dreams. It is through the practice of surrender, trust, and faith that we can reclaim our power, authenticity, and wholeness, and experience the fullness of life's blessings in every moment.